Shit, you need to push it just by the wheel.
Told you guys I had a little treat. Ooh, look at this one right here, fellas. Rotisserie car. Sheesh. I'm scared to even work on it. Oh, this thing is stupid clean. Look at that, guys. Wow.
Windows? Quarter windows?
Look at these quarters. It don't get no better than that, fellas. So it's a new little project we got here at the shop. It's got on 3. Ooh, boost controller. Got some goodies. Guys, just gonna have me run through it and clean it all up, you know. Give it the 650 love. See what kind of problems we can find with it. But yeah, guys, there she is. Quicksilver. Oh, jeez! Look at that car, guys. That's so nice.
I like it.
All right, guys. All right, this one has a flex coupler that's blown out. It's got some shit wrong with it. You can see the pipe ain't even lined up there. It's not lined up. There, you gotta see it's a little bit of warp. Pretty good right there. Shut her off. You guys see in there? Okay. See my finger on the other side over there. Caca. Alright guys, so I've been thinking about this for a minute and I made this little piece right here that'll fit in right here. It's gonna be clean. It's gonna be nice, but I was thinking about it. If it's got a flex coupler and this little joint, that's 2 places to flex and for it to kind of move once it gets hot. So I usually eliminate this piece, but on this one I'm gonna leave it because that leaves flex right there. So this piece solid and then this piece will be able to unbolt. And I'm gonna try it like that, guys. So I think that's gonna be good because it'll leave a little bit of play and movement and this will be all nice and fixed. So stay tuned with me. I'll get this all tacked up and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right. All right, fellas. Here's our little setup, a welder. Make sure you get you guys a good little cup. I'm using the BBW. You got setups for everything. For aluminum, you use a different tungsten for that. Yeah, gotta have it. Woo! Just a little sneak peek of the feed pipe for the Cobra for you guys. Got some coming on that for you guys. So keep it tuned, Cobra stuff. All right, guys, so let's tack this up. I'm gonna tack that up at like my usual 45 amps with this welder. Make sure the gas is on. Yourself a good clean tap. Or attach again. see? Checked it up, 4 spots. So, weld it up. Hot. Give me a second, guys. We'll fit that up in a minute. Alright, guys, there you go. She's looking good. This guy's welding up the pipe. Sorry, not welding it, but ring wrapping it. Make it look brand newbie again. Oh yeah, breathing that in, snorting a couple lines of that fiberglass. Ooh, fire.
You don't want those problems.
All right, guys, you see it. How much better that looks.
There it is.
Look at that. All right, fellas. Next project on this little baby. You gotta take a good look at this little one. I told you guys it was rotisserie. I wasn't lying. Look at this. Everything and every square inch got sprayed and all put back together.
Check out the pinch welds.
Oh my God, these are the cleanest pinch welds I've ever seen. They've got body worked. Something got done to them. Cause I ain't never seen ones this clean.
It's not stock.
Those are not stock, fellas. Real clean car, guys. That's all I can say. This thing is damn near perfect. Stock suspension, and you know, drivetrain's pretty stock, but it's all there, guys. So right now we're rebuilding the diff. Had 327s going up to 355s. Rebuild kit, gears and rebuild kit. And we're on it. Nice little project, guys. Did you guys see how this downpipe turned out? We ended up wrapping this piece, so it looks all new. Everything is good to go, guys. No more leaks. And we're just gonna be cleaning her up one move at a time. So keep it tuned. Alright, guys. We're getting ready to hook my guy up with a 355 gear. Just want to show you guys this little tool I made out of just 1x1, you guys. Back in like probably what, 5-6 years ago. This is show them how it works.
Slap this on, got a little notch.
We made a little notch for the nut.
So you just hook this up. Get a wrench in. See that muffler's not in the way. No, we're good.
Just gonna hold the pinion for us while we torque it.
While we torque it, tighten that up.
Homemade, fellas.
You zap it on there.
Look at that.
Hold it and we torque it.
Nothing special. That was like one of the first tools I made with my welder. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna say we're close to there, like 23. What do you think? Give it a feel.
Let's say
We getting pretty good over the years.
I'll do the prices right. One more, 24.
Think it's at 24? Alright, let's check it. We're looking for like 23 to 28 thousandths, guys.
Alright, here we go. Oh!
25, 26. So we were both wrong. It's good. Both ways?
One way is 20 still. 20 and 25.
So give it a last little crank. Let's see what she's up to now.
Last little pinch.
Should be like 25 or 28, what we like.
Let's see. Okay.
Oh. Softened up. Oh,
right
20,
there.
28.
Yep.
Yep. That's it. Good. 355's in. see that? Huh? 355.
Right there.
Yep. All right, guys. So we'll put this whole thing back together, and we'll move on to the next little project. We're gonna do a catch can, Motion Raceworks. Take off the valve covers and finish that little project. So we'll move to the next one, guys. All right. What are you doing over here?
Just clutch work.
Just clutch work on a Honda?
Yeah. Those daily.
Yeah. See, guys, we do it all. Got a turbo Fox, and we got a 4-cylinder Honda that needs work. Not just Fox shop, guys. Bring us your dailies. We do it all, right, Brian?
Hell yeah.
Even some body work.
Yeah.
Sometimes we do some body work, guys, so hit us up. All right, guys. We're gonna start her up for the first time and see if she's got no leaks. Thing's leaking pretty bad, huh?
Oh yeah, ready?
Let's do it. Oh yeah. Quiet. Wow, that's hella quiet. It's like the downpipe's got a little bit. I can feel it right here. Oh yeah, look. Oh yeah. The downpipe got to be adjusted a hair. That's it. Let's hear it. Yeah, I can hear it.
Idle's off a little too. I stepped on the gas and it stayed up there.
Let it warm up.
Let it warm up?
Now you can shut it off. Alright, guys. Here it is. Exhaust is all fixed. We also fixed the exhaust in the back for them. And then we got the crossover fixed. And now we're going to move on to the catch can. So it's going to be fun locating it. So give us a little bit and we'll figure out where we're going to put that. And we'll be back with you guys in a minute. Alright. Alright, fellas. Here it is. A little sneak peek of the Cobra twin turbo kit. Coming out pretty good. I got some good welds up on there. This is going to be the piece that goes up to the Monkey Fab garage. Swear to God, I'm going to kill that train. Anyway, Monkey Fab billet flange, and I got this piece. It's gonna go right here under this V-band, so it's gonna be a removable mid piece. So give me a second, I'll get this thing mocked up for you guys before we go home and see how it looks. All right, guys. All right, guys. There you have it. Tell me what you guys think. It's about to get tacked up. It's a little V-band off the header. Don't worry, I'm gonna cut that flange off right there later. Just mock up right here. Turbo goes straight right here. Everything good. That clearance. And we're looking good, guys. So give me a minute and we'll get her tacked in and welded up, all right? All right, fellas. I got it all set up. And I'm gonna weld this V-band up. Alrighty, guys. Looking good. Alright, let's see. Here it is. She's ugly right now, but wait till we get her coated and all finished. She's gonna look good. So let me mock it up and see what she looks like. All right, guys? Hold on tight. All right, guys. Pop the hood, you're gonna see the twins. We got ourselves a set of turbo headers. Yeah, it looks kind of ugly right there, but I'll cut that off, make it all good. Clearance. Turbo's gonna end up right here. She's peaking. Got enough room for a filter. Man, I'm happy with that, guys. 1 3/4 primaries, and now we'll build the downpipe. So, whoo, man, that's a lot of work, guys. I see why not a lot of people have these, but man, it's my first one, so it's taking me a little bit longer. But I love how it came out. So, here it is, guys. Twin turbo kit. Getting built. Slowly but surely, but we'll start going on the other side and start making this pipe to here. Down pipe go through right there. So let me know, guys, 2.5 or 3 inch down pipe for this. It's a 331 stock block, AFR 190s. I don't know if 3 inch is gonna be enough, too much. 2.5 is cool, but let me know in the comments, guys. 2.5 or 3. All right. You see, we got plenty of clearance with the tires. I put an 18 on there, borrowed one from a car so I could get the biggest that would ever be on here. So let's see, it's plenty of clearance, guys. So hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoying the little quick silver project. And keep it tuned, guys. I'll have more on this one. All right, take it easy.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Herb on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. Bitch, and now I may play.